Of course, the biggest goal on Fiverr is to make a lot of money from one buyer over time.
This video is brought to you by Pies Academy.
But a lot of people also ask, well, how can I make enough money now? How can I make enough money, let's say for a $5 order? How can I make it profitable? So there's some strategies for that, and that is delivering quick, already made digital products. Today, it's not permitted to sell digital products like courses on Fiverr, but you can sell PDFs and ebooks. You can create a gig that sells ebooks. Those gigs used to be much more effective. They're less effective now. So now the strategy is, if you have a lot of gigs, like 7 or 10 that you're allowed, or 20 if you're level 2, and you just don't have enough imagination, or just don't have enough services you can add, or don't have enough keywords, you don't have more keywords to target, you can add additional gigs that basically sell some PDFs. Those will have relatively low buying, but you might as well. Now, if you have maxed out your gigs and people are buying your gigs, the more common strategy today is to sell your PDFs as gig extras. So let me show you how that appears. When you're on a gig page and a potential buyer says, continue, let's say standard or whatever, $15, it doesn't matter. When they say continue, before they buy, Fiverr offers them to customize the package, and you can add gig extras. In the gig extras, let's take a look at what I do to boost this. I give away this 50 success skills. It's a checklist. It's basically a PDF, and I sell it for $10. And I sell my business plan book and my marketing plan book for an extra $5. So basically, this takes no extra time to deliver because I already have it saved on my computer. When I deliver the gig to buyers, all I do is just upload that book. It takes me an extra 30 seconds. And for that 30 seconds, I get this extra $5. Obviously, I only keep $4, but $4 for the 30 seconds, actually, it's pretty good. It's quite a good rate. And all these are, this is a PDF of a book. This is a PDF of a book. And this is also a PDF. That's it. There's something different in here. YouTube promotion. This is where I offer to promote people on YouTube. Actually, almost nobody buys this ever. But people buy the little ones all the time. Just because they're little add-ons, they're quick and easy. And as you level up, you get to offer more gig extras. So that's the way to quickly make a little extra money by providing PDFs. What kind of PDFs can you create? Ebooks, checklists, instruction manuals, tutorials, lists of resources. Like in one gig, for example, I offer for $5 a list of top websites where you can offer discounted offers that my buyers can go and promote their product. So maybe you can offer, here's like the top 10 Facebook groups for this, or here's the top 10 Facebook and LinkedIn group for this, or here are some tools, so list of tools. So there's a ton of things you can offer, and because it's $5, they can be pretty basic. Now, don't make it too basic, because if it's too basic, your buyers will get irritated and that will result in bad reviews. But definitely think of what kind of extra resources you can add for $5 or so, and that way you'll immediately increase your revenue on Fiverr from your already existing sales. And if you're not sure how to add gig extras, when you create your gig, this is in the gig editing area in your dashboard. Under pricing, when you scroll down, you have these gig extras, and you can add gig extras here. And the more you level up, the more gig extras you can add. So it's really that easy. You just add them here right under the basic packages you sell. Under that, you just add gig extras. You see, I have it right here. Business plan book, $5. Very, very simple.